Good afternoon, students. Last two previous day we discussed about chapter number 1. Now today chapter number 1 and then its intro. Now we will discuss page number 13 to 16, that is a molecular formula. What is a molecular formula? Molecular formula basically determines the actual number of atoms of each element present in a molecule. Actual number of atoms of element present in a molecule. It means in a molecule the total number of atoms is equal to molecular formula. Relationship between molecular and empirical formula is that the molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into n. N stands for natural number and it may be n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. In short, the molecular formula is the sum of all the atoms present in a means it determines the number of atoms of element in a molecule. Now, here are some examples of molecular formula. For example, benzene. And its molecular formula is C6H6. Its molecular formula, I write it M.F means molecular formula. And its empirical formula is CH. That stands for EF empirical formula. If we put here 6, n is equal to 6 here, then we can say that is equal to C6H6 molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into n is a whole ratio that equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. The second example is hydrogen peroxide. Its molecular formula is H2O2. So we can take 2 as a common. So its empirical formula is HO. That stands for hydrogen oxide. And the third example is glucose. The molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. If we take 6 as a common, then CH2O. Its molecular formula of glucose and its empirical formula of glucose. If we put 6 here, then we can write again this formula, that is the molecular formula of glucose. So in this way, we can say that the relationship between molecular formula and empirical formula is that molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into n is the whole ratio. The next topic is the molecular mass and formula mass. Now the next topic is molecular mass and formula mass. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of all atoms. Atomic masses of all atoms present in a compound. And the formula mass is sum of atomic masses of all the atoms or ions present in a ionic compound. Atoms in ionic compound. There are two examples. One for molecular mass and the other for formula mass. Calculate the molecular mass. Calculate the molecular mass of HNO3. First of all, we know that about hydrogen atomic mass and nitrogen and oxygen. The atomic mass of hydrogen, as we know that, is equal to 1. 1 and AMU its unit. Then atomic mass of, according to formula, nitrogen, next is nitrogen, 14 AMU. Now the third, atomic mass of oxygen, that is equal to 16. Molecular mass which we want to determine is equal to HNO3. Now, according to formula, the first is hydrogen. So here write atomic mass of hydrogen. And also write here the number of hydrogen atoms. Here in nitric acid there is only one hydrogen. So we put here 1 plus. I can write to this side. 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen plus the next atom is nitrogen, atomic mass of nitrogen. Write the number of nitrogen, that is a 1. So here we put 1 plus the next is a oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen. How many oxygen atoms are there? 3. So we can put here 3. So write the atomic masses. Hydrogen 1 plus nitrogen is equal to 14 plus 3 and oxygen is equal to 16. 1 plus 14 plus 48 is equal to 63 AMU. 63 AMU is the molecular mass of nitric acid. Is it clear, student? Have you got it? Please note down, students. Now, the next example is about formula mass. Calculate the formula mass of potassium sulfate. Calculate the formula mass of potassium sulfate, K2SO4. Firstly, write atomic mass of first atom is potassium. So we can write here potassium is equal to 39 AMU. Next is a sulfur. Atomic mass of sulfur is equal to 32. AMU is unit. Now the third one is oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16 AMU. Now write formula mass. Formula mass find करना है. Its formula unit is equal to K2SO4. Atomic mass of potassium. How many fraction are used here? 2. So we put here 2 plus atomic mass of sulfur. How many sulfurs are used here? Only 1. So we put here 1 plus. Next is oxygen. Atomic mass of oxygen. How many atoms of oxygen are used? 4. So we put here 4. 239 plus 1 is 232 plus 4 multiplied 16. 16 4s are 64 plus 32 plus 78 is equal to 174 AMU. 174 atomic mass unit is the formula mass of potassium sulfate. Is everything clear, student? Have you got it? Okay, student. Now comes to the next point. That is the types of molecule. It's important wrong question. Types of molecules. Firstly, define molecule. Molecule is the combination of different atoms. Then, different types of molecules. There are many types of molecules. Different types of molecules that depends upon we write here A depends upon number of atoms. B types of atoms. Comes to the first type, that is depends upon a number of atoms. Therefore, the 4 types that depends upon a number of atoms. Number 1, monoatomic molecule. The molecule which consists of only one atom. Molecule consists of only one atom is called monoatomic. For example, helium, hydrogen, okay? Inert gases, neon, argon, helium, neon. Write at least 2 examples of each type. Different types of molecule that depends upon. Number 1, number of atoms. It is further divided into 4 types. Monoatomic molecule consists of only one atom. Diatomic molecule Di means mono means one, di means two. It consists of two atoms. Consists of two atoms. For example, H2Cl2. These are the examples of diatomic. Third one is the triatomic. Tri means three, atomic means atom. Triatomic molecules have consist of only three atoms. Three atoms. For example, water, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2. Now the next is, the fourth type is polyatomic molecule. Polyatomic molecule. Poly means many. The molecule which consists of many atoms. Many atoms is called polyatomic molecule. For example, H2SO4, C6H12O6, that is the glucose, and many others. Now comes to the second, that depends on types of atom. It is further divided into two main types: homoatomic molecule and heteroatomic molecule. Homo means same, hetero means different. Homo having same atoms. Having same atoms. Hetero means having different atoms. And the example for homoatomic is H2, Cl2, S6, S8, O3. These are the examples, O2, examples of homoatomic molecule. And the heteroatomic molecule, for example, CO2, H2SO4, C6H12O6. These are the different types of molecules. Okay, student, have you got it? If you have any question, you can ask.